The first question, please. Sorry, the question number 13. We don't go, or we doesn't go, or we doing go to school. Omar Ala, it is not a test. Just think and answer. Don't worry. If you make a mistake, okay.
We don't.
Excellent. That's right. We don't go to school. It is also true, Omar Ala, with you, they, and I. I don't, we don't, you don't, and they don't. Thank you very much. Omar Izzat. Omar Izzat. Omar Izzat.
Yes.
Please, Omar Izzat, number 14. You don't?
Don't.
Excellent. Don't. Thank you very much. Ahmed Adli answered. Malik Assam answered. Ahmed Hani. Amr Magdi. Mustafa Hani. Omar Mustafa. Yasin Khalid. Yusuf. So everyone answered. So we start from the beginning. We asked Omar Ala. Now we ask Yusuf Khalid. Yusuf Khalid.
Okay.
Please, Yusuf Khalid, number
15.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. He don't or doesn't or doing play football.
He doesn't play football.
Well done. Yasin Ahmed.
Yes. Yes.
Just give me a second to raise the names only.
She don't.
Yes. She don't or she doesn't or she doing hurry to wear.
She doesn't.
Excellent. Okay. Ahmed Adli.
Yes.
Ahmed Adli, next please, 17.
It doesn't catch a mouse.
That's right. Thank you very much. Malik Asab.
Yes.
18 please.
They don't watch TV.
Excellent. Now, students, we finished the first part of our session today. Now, we are going to study a very funny and very easy piece of information. It is about so and because. About so and because. Let's prepare the worksheet. Just give me some few seconds to prepare the worksheet for you. First, student, we make a revision in this question, just few questions only, and then we start. We asked Yasin Ahmed, and we asked also Omar Ala and Yusuf Khalid, Yasin Ahmed, Ahmed Adli, Malik Assam, Ahmed Hani. Ahmed Hani?
Yes.
Do you remember Ahmed Hani? How can we answer this kind of comparison? Trains are 20 meters long. Buses are 7 meters long. We want to use longer.
Longer.
Excellent. Trains are longer. Part then, remember we put then before part 2. Then what is the part 2? Buses. Buses only. No. Just buses. Look, Ahmed Hani, it will be trains are, sorry, it is capital letter. Trains are longer than buses. Okay? Part
Okay.
1, trains. Trains is a plural word. It takes R. The adjective is longer. Part 2 is buses. Before part 2, we put them. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Okay, Yasin Ahmed, but I have to ask other students also. I have to move around the students. Amr Magdi. Amr Magdi. Amr Magdi.
What?
We are making a revision on comparison before we go to because and so. Sharks can kill people. Dolphins don't kill people. Part
Shark.
one, sharks, right?
Sharks
Are. Now the adjective more dangerous.
more dangerous
Excellent. More
than
dangerous
than dolphins.
Excellent. Well done, Amr Magdi. Now, students, let's have 2 examples about the superlative the best, the most, and so on. Remember that in comparison, we use comparative adjective. Good becomes better, bad becomes worse, far becomes further, large becomes larger, easy becomes easier, thin becomes thinner. But in superlative, when I want to prefer one thing over the rest of the group, I use a superlative. Better, the best. Worse becomes the worst. Further becomes the furthest. Larger becomes the largest. Easier becomes the easiest. Thinner becomes the thinnest. Let's move to the exercise. Muhammad Basil.
Yes.
Look at this example, Muhammad Basil. Smoking is bad. Eating much chocolate is bad.
Chocolate cake is bad for health.
Yes.
Eating
much ice cream is bad. Now I want to choose one thing of these 3 things and say that it is the worst.
The worst
Excellent. Smoking
smoking
is the
worst
of them all. Yes.
then
No. We don't use then here. We use then if we have 2 things only. But here we have 3 things. If we have 3 things, we use of them all. It means
Them all.
smoking. Yes. It means smoking is the worst thing of these 3 things. Students, of them all means that smoking is the worst thing of all the 3 things. Thank you, Muhammad Bas. Thank you very much. Muhammad Samir, yes, Muhammad Samir.
Yes, Mister.
Look, Muhammad Samir, we need to answer number 2. America is far from Jeddah. Cairo is far from Jeddah. Alexandria is far from Jeddah. Now we wanted to know the furthest.
America.
Excellent.
America is the
America
faster.
Don't worry, Muhammad Samir. Just relax. Repeat after me. The fur. Say fur. The The
First,
furthest. 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 Furthest
first
of.
of them all.
Excellent. This sentence, students, mean that America is far from Jeddah and far from Cairo also. It is the furthest of them all. Of them all means of all the other two countries. Of all the other two countries. Now, students, we move to very interesting part in our session today. It is about so and because. So and because. If something happened and you want to know and you want to say why this thing happened, use because. Let me write it in a worksheet for you. Let me write it for you. If something happened, you want to say why did it happen? What should you do? Use because. Use because. For example, I took a taxi. I took a taxi. This is what happened. My car didn't work. Now I want to use because. Very easy, students. What happened? What happened that I took a taxi? This is what happened. Why it did it happen? Because my car didn't work. So I put because here. And then I put my car didn't work. Okay? Look here. I didn't put comma. Just put because in the middle and cut the full stop. Let's have another example. She went to the hospital. This is what happened. She was sick. Now I will use because. What will be the sentence? What happened? What happened? She went to hospital. This is what happened. Why this happened? This happened because she was sick. Okay? Let's move to the example and the exercise about because to make sure that you understand. Now I am going to call you by names to answer the questions. عمر علاء، ياسين أحمد، أحمد عدلي، أحمد عصام، أحمد هاني، عمر مجدي، إياد محمد علي، إياد محمد علي. إياد?
Yes, Mister.
She is tired. She ran for a long time. What happened?
She is tired because
Excellent.
she ran for a long time.
Yes, she is tired. This is the thing that happened. Why? Because she ran for a long time. Excellent, Iyad. Thank you. You can mute yourself now. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Now Iyad is okay. Malik. Malik didn't answer. Malik. Malik. Malik Asam.
Yes.
Number 2, Malik. This is a good restaurant. The food is healthy and cheap. What happened? Yes, this is
a good restaurant because the food is healthy and cheap.
Well done. Well done, Malik. Thank you very much. Mazen? Mazen? Number 3, please. We can't go to cinema. We are busy. So what happened
We
here? Yes,
we can't
excellent. Go.
we can't go to cinema because we are busy.
Excellent. We can't go to cinema because
We are busy.
we are busy. We are busy. Thank you. Muhammad Basil,
Yes.
number 4. He is going to drink.
He is going to drink water. He is thirsty
Yes,
because
yes. First, we write the thing that
he
happened. What happened?
he is
He is going.
going because
He is going to drink
drink
water
water
because
thirsty.
he is thirsty.
He is thirsty.
Thank you, Muhammad Basil. Yes, Muhammad Basil answered. Now, Muhammad Samir answered. Mustafa Hani.
But
Number 5, please.
we are going to swim because it is hot today.
Excellent. We are going
Are
to swim
going to swim because it is hot today.
it is hot today. Thank you. Now, students, we have the last part in our lesson today. This is so. This part is about so. When you want to say the result, what is the result? The result or what happened, but so before it. If you want to show the result or what happened, put so before it. For example, the cat, let's take examples. The cat was hungry. This is the reason. What happened? It ate fish. And we want to put so here. So we started like this. The cat was hungry. So the result of being hungry, it ate fish. Let's have another example. He doesn't have a car. He takes, no, he goes by bus. Now I want to join these two sentences using so. He doesn't have a car, so he goes by bus. Let's take another example. I was cold. I wore a jacket. Here we want to use so. I was cold, so I wore a jacket. Okay, so students, if you wanted to say the reason or why, use because. If you want to say the result or what happened, use so. Again, if you want to say the reason, put because. If you want to say the result or what happened, you put so. Let's move to the examples. Don't worry if you make mistake. We are learning. It is not a test. Just to be relaxed and try to answer. Let me check here the names. Yes, Mustafa Hani answered. So Mustafa Murad.
Yes, Mister.
My cat was hungry. It ate fish.
It ate, Mister, not eight.
Well, it's okay. Just check your dictionary. If it is it, it's okay.
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 My cat was hungry, so it ate fish. Ate fish.
Yes. My cat was hungry. So the result of being hungry. So it ate fish. Thank you, Mustafa.
Yes.
Omar Mustafa. Omar Mustafa.
Yes, Mister.
Omar Mustafa. She was sick last week. She saw a doctor.
She was
Excellent. She was.
sick
Yes.
last
Yes.
week, so
Excellent.
she
Yes.
was
Yes, she saw.
she saw a doctor.
Thank you, Omar Mustafa. Thank you very much. Good answer. Thank you. You are brilliant. Let's check here. Me. Okay. Qusay.
Yes.
Qusay. It is cold in winter. People wear warm clothes. Qusay.
Yes.
It is cold in winter. This is a thing that happens. What is the result of the thing? People wear warm clothes. Now we want to use.
It is cold.
Excellent. Yes, go on. Don't worry.
So
Yes.
people
Well
wear
done. Well done. It is cold in winter. So people go on Qusay, complete.
so people
Yes.
wear
Yes.
warm
Warm
clothes.
clothes. Excellent Qusay. Well done. Yasin Khalid.
Yes.
9, please.
He wasn't careful. He fell off his bike.
Yes.
He wasn't careful, so he
Excellent.
fell
Excellent.
careful. So he fell off his bike.
Thank you, Yasin Khalid. Yusuf Khalid,
Okay.
last question.
Number 10.
Yes. It was raining. Yes.
It was raining, so I took my umbrella.
That's right. Thank you, Yusuf Khalid. It was raining, so I took my umbrella. That's everything for today, students. Thank you, and see you in the new lesson.